Let me ask you something bold. What if I told you that just laying down on a mat could significantly raise your testosterone levels? Not a shot, not a pill, not a gimmick, but actual natural hormonal optimization triggered by electromagnetic pulses. Sounds insane, right? Well, buckle up because we're diving deep into the jaw dropping science of PEMF therapy and how it's helping men and women reclaim their hormonal edge. Let's start with the crisis. Testosterone levels in men have dropped by more than 30% in the last 3 decades. 30%. A 2007 study published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism revealed that men in their 20s today have testosterone levels lower than men in their 60s just 2 generations ago. We're not just talking about a slow decline, it's an absolute free fall. And it's affecting everything from energy, focus, to libido, mood, and even fertility. Environmental toxins, chronic stress, poor sleep, EMF pollution, nutrient deficient diets, sedentary lifestyles. Basically, we're bombarded and our biology is paying the price. But here's the twist. We can use technology, the right kind of energy, to fight back. PEMF stands for Pulsed Electromagnetic Field Therapy, and it uses low-frequency rhythmic electromagnetic pulses to stimulate cellular function. Your cells, like mini batteries, rely on electrical charges to operate at full capacity. Over time, with stress, age, and toxin exposure, those batteries run dry. They run out of charge. PEMF charges them back up. It's like plugging your cells back into a cosmic power outlet. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. Multiple studies have shown that PEMF therapy enhances blood circulation, reduces inflammation, improves sleep quality, and restores mitochondrial function. But did you know that it also stimulates hormone production? The testosterone connection. Testosterone is produced primarily in Leydig cells of the testes, which are extremely sensitive to oxidative stress and mitochondrial dysfunction. When mitochondria aren't working properly, testosterone plummets. PEMF therapy has been shown to increase ATP production, the energy, the currency of the cells, by over 500% in some models. That's a game changer for Leydig cells. More energy, better function, more testosterone. But don't just take my word for it. In a 2019 animal study published in Andrologia, rats exposed to low PEMF for 30 minutes a day for 2 weeks showed a 66 increase in serum testosterone levels. 66%. And if you ask me, that's not subtle, that's clinical. Human studies are catching up. Early trials are showing similar patterns, especially in men suffering from low testosterone, poor sleep, and chronic fatigue. Guys who incorporate PEMF into their wellness routines report waking up with stronger morning wood, elevated mood, reduced brain fog, better workouts, quicker recovery, and yes, noticeable increases in libido and sexual function. And the best part is, PEMF is non-invasive, drug-free, and it doesn't suppress your body's natural hormone production like some synthetic testosterone can. In fact, it supports the very system that makes your body run optimally on its own. So how do you actually use PEMF to raise testosterone? Timing, I would start with 15 to 30 minutes a day, ideally in the morning, post-workout. And the settings, I would use a lower setting, around 10 to 30 hertz, to stimulate testosterone and hormone balance. Consistency, like any form of therapy, results build over time. Expect noticeable effects within the first 2 to 4 weeks. Pair it with quality sleep, a clean diet, strength training, and less stress, and now you've got a biological symphony playing in your favor. We live in a time where testosterone is under siege, but that doesn't mean you have to be a victim of it. PEMF therapy is the most underestimated tool in the world of biohacking, but the results are undeniable. This isn't just about muscle or sex drive, it's about reclaiming your vitality, your energy, and your edge. So next time someone tells you testosterone only drops with age, You can smile and quietly power on your PEMF device because now you know the truth.